Here's how you can add border in PowerPoint presentation. So in this short tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can add border in PowerPoint presentation. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, just open up your web browser and go to PowerPoint. So here, as you can see, I'm already on PowerPoint and I'm logged in, and this is what it looks like. So this is a blank presentation file. So I'm just going to make borders inside it. So it's pretty simple. You just gotta go to insert, or you could directly interact with shapes right over here, but going to insert is way more convenient. And right over here in the insert, you'll see the option of shapes. You just gotta go ahead and press on it and you'll see the option of rectangles. So there are many different types of rectangle, but this one is actually so good. So I'm just gonna add my border just like this. But you might think that it has colors, so how am I gonna turn this into a border? It's pretty simple. I'm just gonna press on this option of shape fill. So here, as you can see, it says shape fill. When you directly put it, it will just give you the option of shape fill. You just gotta go ahead and press on it and just basically make the theme white. And here you go. Well, you basically made a border in your PowerPoint presentation. You can add text directly right into it just like that, and do the borders and do all the customization and everything you would like to. So yeah, this is actually done how you can add borders in your PowerPoint presentation. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.